Tai Chi, a gentle way to fight stress, Part 1. What is Tai Chi? Tai Chi is an ancient Chinese tradition that, today, is practiced as a graceful form of exercise. It involves a series of movements performed in a slow, focused manner and accompanied by deep breathing. Tai Chi, also called Tai Chi Chuan, is a non-competitive, self-paced system of gentle physical exercise and stretching. Each posture flows into the next without pause, ensuring that your body is in constant motion. Tai Chi has many different styles. Each style may subtly emphasize various Tai Chi principles and methods. There are variations within each style. Some styles may focus on health maintenance, while others focus on the martial arts aspect of Tai Chi. Tai Chi is different from yoga, another type of meditative movement. Yoga includes various physical postures and breathing techniques, along with meditation. Thank you for watching. Please continue to Part 2, and, as always, like and subscribe.